Today I'm going to be reviewing this travel hanging toiletry wash bag makeup cosmetic organizer for women, kids, girls, and it's actually waterproof, and this is in blue stripe. I purchased this a couple of years ago and I've taken this with me for on quite a few of our trips, and I have to say I've been really impressed with this. So it's quite a big organizer. As you open it up, you do have a main zip compartment, 3 smaller netted compartments. You do have a zip and you can put smaller items, and it's waterproof, and obviously you've got the hook, but you will be able to hook it up. This is the other big compartment. Again, it's very spacious, and you can actually pop some bottles in here, and with these elastics you can actually keep them in place. And again, the zip is very well made. You can just zip it around, and you just have to kind of line it all up, and it's got a double zip, so you can zip it either side. It's quite a nice and sleek design, and I have to say you can fit a lot of stuff in here. I never had to kind of wash it. It does feel that it's kind of water repellent, and I think even if it did get a little bit dirty, probably would just have to be kind of wiped with a damp cloth. But it's very practical, very portable, very lightweight, and it's definitely a thumbs up from me.